Hello everyone, this is Karthik over here. I'm currently pursuing BCA in Presidency College. Presidency College is one of the best times in my life. I chose this college for my graduation and I have undergone rigorous training right here. And I have gained the confidence that we Presidency can cut above anyone else. And I feel so because the college provided me the platform to explore my abilities and skills. And I feel privileged that I got the opportunity to meet the dynamic and distinguished faculties who are enthusiastic, friendly, patient, and highly qualified. They help me a lot in my area of studies. And we are not only engaged in academics, but also in co-curricular activities with the guidance and motivation of our professors. And the best part of the college, and I like the most, is its ambience. The campus is filled with lush green trees and is soothing to the eyes. The modern architecture, along with its beautiful surroundings, enhances the learning environment. And I feel indeed honored that I describe myself as Presidential. Thank you everyone.